Harvard University did a research for 70 years on a topic that what makes people happy. You must be thinking that why 70 years? This is such a simple topic. The people who has lot of money, the people who are successful, famous, the people who has big business, they are the happiest people, right? But still, why Harvard University took 70 years? 70 years means they must have done the study about at least 5 to 6 generations. And the conclusion they come after 70 years is that it is not the money, it is not the position, it is not the designation, business or position they have what make people happy, but the only factor what make people happy is the good relationship. Yes, the people who has great relationship, they are the happiest people. Relationship is not about only between husband and wife or with parents or children, brothers and sisters. If you think relationship is everywhere, wherever you communicate, there is relationship comes. You communicate to yourself, there is also your relationship come with yourself. You communicate to family members, friends, to society. You communicate at workplace. You communicate, and that is where you have the relationship with people. Not only with the people, but with the nature also. Your relationship with the nature, your relationship with animal, birds, your relationship with trees, plants. Everywhere there is some feeling and emotion we carry, and that relationship makes people happy. You must have seen some people, they have people in their life where their relationship is not good, and it is in a so worst, or it is in a situation when if other person come in front of him or her, he will not even talk, right? You might be also having such people that if that person come in front of you, you will not talk. Think about this. How many people you have? You know how many people I have? No one. Zero. I don't have anybody that if person come in front of me and I will not talk. I will talk to anyone and everyone. Relationship I understood at very early stage in my life, because I can't accept, I can't accommodate, adjust if someone is not talking to me or I am not talking to someone. This is what is my top priority. If you see in society, the people who has great relationship with their closest family member, with parents, even at the workplace, they are usually will find happy. And relationship has to be built not when you are successful, but from the childhood. The people, what they see around them, that is what they learn, because the blueprint get created at the early stage in life about the relationship, up to 7 years of age, 14 years of age, and over the period of life, according to experience, according to the society, what people have the relationship and believe about the relationship. So yes, relationship for me is on top priority, because if relationships are good, that will reflect in health also. If you see, people are happy with society, with family members. If they are happy, their health will be better, because relationship affect feeling, emotion, mindset, and that ultimately affect health. So relationship is also helpful for health, and if relationship is good, they will perform better, they will be more productive, more effective, and that will help to earn more money also. It is not otherwise. Otherwise, if you see people who is earning lot of money, but have you seen their relationship are screwed up? But if someone has a good relationship, great relationship, they could do well in their life and can be more successful. So relationship for me is on the top most priority. What about you? What is your feeling? What is your understanding, and what is means for you? What you have the belief and perception about the relationship? Share your feedback, and thank you very much for watching this video. See you in next video. If you have any feedback, I will be happy to see your feedback. Thank you.